Hey, good morning everybody. This is Corey Peterson. I am your Up North car guy. We are here with our newest edition of Do I Fit? It's our most challenging video that we've shot so far because I'm standing next to a 2013 Fiat 500. So in 2012, Fiat made their return to the American market after being gone for a couple of decades. This is a 2013 Fiat 500. They offered them in a couple of trim levels. They had the base model Pop, the Sport, which is what this is. They had the Lounge, the Abarth, which was the 160 mile an hour sort of hot hatch version of it, and the L, which was the four-door version of that car. This Sport version has a 5-speed manual. It's got a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, makes about 101 horsepower, leather interior, power windows, power lock, some of the basic stuff you need to get around. I'm told they're very nice to drive. You see wheels at the four corners. They make them really stable, really kind of interesting cars. I'm a big fan of these. But let's see, do I fit in it? All right, one thing I do want you to look at, when you come in here and look at the back of this car, inside the trunk, or the boot, as they call it in Italy, really small in there. You do get Beats audio in this car, which is pretty cool, but about enough room for maybe a hat or half a bag of groceries. And then if you look sort of in and then into the back seat, you can see just how close the front seat is to the rear. Now, if you think this Fiat 500 is small with me standing next to it, I'll invite you to check this out. So, this is a 2019 F250 Limited. It's a Super Crew cab. It's got the 6.7 liter diesel engine. It's gigantic. This is the Fiat 500, and you may be asking yourself, how on earth are these two vehicles allowed on the same road at the same time? The NHTSA rated this vehicle as a 5-star crash rated vehicle, and the Fiat was right behind it at 4 stars, which is unbelievable. All right, so you can see still behind me, we got the F250 behind the Fiat. If you were sitting in the F250 and you just glanced out your window as a Fiat was going by you, you would never know it was there. You can see the Fiat's just a little bit shorter than the window line in that F250. But we're not here to talk about how much smaller that is compared to that. We're talking about, do I fit in this car? So, let's check it out. Here we go. Didn't expect that, did you? Okay, now, am I in this car? Yes, I am. Is it comfortable? Not exactly. I have almost no headroom. This has a sunroof. If you open the sunroof, you'd see the top of my head sticking out. I can't really get my whole body in here without the window open. I have to have the window open like this so I can do the Italian move where you yell at the person in front of you. And not a lot of legroom in here either. But suffice to say, I do fit. It's amazing. I'm amazed. So there we go. This has been another episode of Do I Fit? An amazing one at that. I do fit in this Fiat 500, which is mind-boggling. If you'd like to see more content, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get notifications when we make content. We make this for you. We want to know that you enjoy it. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at UpNorthCarGuy. Follow Mitchell on Twitter at PhotoHypeMedia. We will be back again soon. Thanks for watching.